Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, and I have no clue why this is doing this. It does it. Mike, I think it's your colors. I'm doing this for one person, a friend of mine, but I redid the colors and bam, it works. So there's something in the way you drew this color. So all I did was make 2 boxes, and I didn't power clip them in there. I didn't move them over. I made the colors. And by doing that, I started off with a block. It's kind of golden, so I picked yellow, and then I just held down the control button while hitting the gold. And I got pretty close. But then you can double check. So this color is R30 or R248, 173, 18. 248, 173, 18. All I did, let's do this one. It's 240, 90, and 40. Just double click on there and it comes up with this green. And you can change the RGB values and make it anything you want. So we can make it that 240, 90, and 40. And those 2 colors are identical. So I would like, I'd like to know how you made those blocks. Yours were real little. I made them bigger, but they're still causing problems. And they're still doing that. But so if you need to do that, do what I just did, and you should not have any problems. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.